people, this is a giant head village that goes on for blocks and blocks and blocks. I don't know with the sunshine how well you can see it.
Oh, that's your yours? This is Alex's business.
Athletics Motor.
This is Alex. He's quite an amazing guy. He's a national sports hero, having done motorcycle and car racing and won championships. He's an engineer. We were talking last night about some of his inventions that are just absolutely amazing. And he also is the Land Rover representative here in the Haiti, and we just passed his Land Rover dealership. He also basically helps out his brother-in-law with all the engineering for the hospital. He also what was the other thing that you do?
I'm president of the agency Martin SA. It's an import-export travel agency and shipping agency.
What types of things do you mostly import and export?
Import, we used to import bulk cargo, on-board cargo. We can represent, we have a representative agency where we can represent foreign companies as well. That building, the one we had in town, has been destroyed. We have one branch, one small branch office that is still together. But besides, the main office has been destroyed.
We're coming up on the airport now.
I don't know, this country is going to be, this earthquake is an event, it's a life-changing event for this country.
Hopefully in the correct direction.
I hope so, but there is so much losses. It's going to be very hard to get started over. Like I was saying, Hiroshima was 200,000 people dead. We have over 300,000 deaths here. And probably about 500,000 wounded or injured one way or another.
Yeah, so and then another 300,000 to 500,000 orphans.
That's right.
So over 1 million people severely affected.
And that's the orphans. How about all the people that have to be living in tents? They have no homes. We have probably a good 600,000 to 700,000 people that have no more homes. That have not been hurt, but that have no more homes.
Do you think only 600,000?
Another 600,000.
You think only that many?
In town, yeah. Well, at least 600,000 in tents for the time being. At least. So we're looking at total people affected, about 1.4 million. I mean, it's major.
Yeah. I've heard some people say it's the largest single civil disaster ever.
It probably is. Port-au-Prince had a population, greater Port-au-Prince area, of about 3.5 million. And with this event, we're looking at around 2/3, about 2 million people altogether that have been one way or another affected, either killed, injured, or no houses.
And then if you add in the people who had a first-degree relative who were killed,
That's right.
It's almost everybody.
Exactly. There is everyone knows a whole bunch of people that have been killed. I've lost a lot of friends, and I know some surviving friends that have lost their family.
Yeah. Now, emotionally, if you lose one person, you really grieve a lot. What is the difference in the emotional feel of losing 20, 30, 40 friends versus losing one? Is it too numbing? Is it too overwhelming?
Yes, it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. I have a friend of mine, good friend of mine. He lost his wife and his 2 kids.
And how's he dealing with it?
Well, needless to tell you, he's feeling it hard because suddenly he lost his house, business, wife, and 2 children, and his 2 only children.
How long did it take him before it really hit him? Was he functional the first few days or the first week or so?
I met him last week, and
they want us walking over there.
Yeah.
We can get out here.
Let me park you right in front of here. Yeah, you have to get in there where those white tents are.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Oh, there is a report.